Before we criticize and label others, take a minute to understand their pain and turmoil. How would you react under the same conditions? Think of death often, the moment you're alone in your grave with only your deeds. It would be too late to wish if only you had done more. Crime doesn't pay. Not only is it a sin, you'll never be at peace. Whatever bad you inflict on others will come back to you someday. When you call out to the Almighty, call out sincerely and with confidence that your call will be answered. Above all, be patient and trust Him. When others let you down and don't meet your expectations, don't be upset. Pray for them. As humans, we're not perfect. Only the Almighty is. When we feel weak or overwhelmed, seek refuge in the Almighty. Nothing's too much for Him. He's in control. He'll always see us through. Almighty, may we not hate those who've wronged us. May we forgive them and leave the rest to you. You're the most just. Don't expect things to go your way. They won't. If the Almighty delays what you've asked for, it's one of the biggest tests of your faith and patience. No matter how much the heart aches and the soul feels like it has been torn apart, if you have faith in Him, you'll survive. Nothing lasts. We may think it's a rejection. In fact, it's the Almighty's protection. Our limited minds can't understand this. Someday it'll make sense.